Hi there, Chris here. And Suki taking a nap. Say hi, Suk. Well, while she's taking a nap, I'm going to try and pick a little lock. This is a little lock. We'll put it next to what? Do I have a lock? We'll put it next to one of these. Whoa, almost had a wreck. We'll put it next to one of these registered mail locks with a dead rubber band on it. Can we see in there? Not really. Anyway, I got this little lock the other day and I thought I would pick it. It is a Tolco. I'm sure it's very high security. So let's see. Let's see if we can see in there. I'll use top of the keyway tension. I'll hold it. And I think I will use a Dawes Evers pick. So here we go. Putting up a big fight. And we got it. See, you need a good pick for a tough lock. And that is one gorgeous good pick. Anyway, a quick video there for a Friday. Okay. Hit the like, leave a comment, subscribe. You know, this is a channel with unique content and a silly cat. Okay, certainly leave a comment and we will see you next time.